If you see these characters in a cell, don't panic. It isn't an error message. It is simply an indication that the cell is currently too small for the number in it. It will probably look like this. If you click on one of the cells, you will see that the cell content is displayed correctly in the edit bar as a number or a calculation. The line of hashtags represents a value that cannot fit into the cell completely and can therefore only be partially displayed. We can cut text and it would be clear that it is abbreviated, but that is obviously not the case with numbers. So, if the number is longer than the cell allows, the solution is, you guessed it, make the cell larger. To do this, simply click between the current cell and the one next to it. Drag the cell outwards until the hashtags disappear and the number appears. A shortcut is to double-click on the area between the cells so that the cell width is automatically adjusted to the longest value. So, now you know how to deal with the hashtag error message. And you've also learnt that it's not really an error message after all.